We're gonna make one of the most lauded dishes in Italian cooking and Italian-American cooking history, fettuccine Alfredo. It is deceptively simple. It's 3 ingredients. Starts with pasta and water. That's the hardest part of this whole recipe. Now, this dish was apparently invented for a pair of actors in Rome in the 40s. Maybe it was invented in the United States. It was designed for children. It was designed for someone's sick wife who needed an easy to digest dish. Who knows? All I know is that it's often overcomplicated. There is butter in this dish, but there is no cream. The cream comes from the mixture of the butter and the Parmigiano Reggiano. So let me show you how to do that. Room temperature butter, grated Parmigiano Reggiano is all you need, as well as fettuccine. And we're gonna put butter on the platter that you're serving the pasta in. This is the base of your pasta. You wanna use good butter here because it's a very important part of the sauce. We're just gonna let our fettuccine cook. And now we just wait. It says it was invented in 1908. Alfredo di Lelio invented it for his wife who was not feeling well.
Cheese good for an upset stomach?
In Italy, cheese is good for everything. Oh, so Doug Fairbanks and Mary Pickford dined at Alfredo's restaurant in Rome and really popularized this dish. I love ChatGPT. Gonna make sure this is nice and tender. We're not looking for al dente the way we are in other pasta dishes because this is not gonna cook in a sauce. It's gonna go right into this butter emulsion. Pretty close, pretty close. We have our platter with butter. We have our cooked fettuccine that's gonna go onto the platter with butter, nice and hot. Make sure you leave some of this pasta water. This is the secret to this dish, what you just saw. This is the whole dish right here, guys. Pay attention. Hot pasta with pasta water. Come over here, mix it around a little bit. Let that butter melt. If you go to D'Alfredo in Rome, they'll do this tableside right in front of you. Sprinkle Parmigiano Reggiano. Parmigiano Reggiano. Mixy, mixy, mixy. And that's it. This is the whole dish, guys. We just made fettuccine Alfredo. Wasn't that so simple? Look at this. Look at the butter melting, mixing with the cheese, turning into a delicious sauce. You see how creamy that just became? You see this? I hope you can see this. This dish is done. Top it with a little more Parmigiano Reggiano. And voila, that's fettuccine Alfredo. Insanely simple. You guys have to try this at home. No cream, just butter and parm. Please try it. Let me know what you think. We overcomplicate a lot of things in America. This is one of those things that does not need American innovation. Oh. Wow, that's so good. Oh my God. Ah, so good, so good. You guys have to try this like now.